Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED M5406. To gain access to the internals, you have to undo 11 Torx head screws. The one in the middle is hidden below a small cap, so you have to unglue it with the aid of a flathead drill bit or something similar. Pop the areas behind the hinges using a lever tool. The hinges feel a bit spongy, but you can counter this if you press them with a finger before raising the panel with a lever tool. After that, fully pry the rear and the other sides of the bottom cover. On the inside of the bottom plate, we can spot 3 dust filters in front of the ventilation grill and a dedicated cooling pad for the SSD. This machine is equipped with a 75-watt-hour battery. To detach it, slide upwards the small metal shroud on top of the battery connector to release it. Before doing that, wear gloves to avoid short circuits. Carefully lift the connector by its sides using a plastic tool. Then, undo the pair of Phillips head screws that secure the unit fixed to the base. The capacity is enough for 15 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu. The standard fan mode and the dynamic refresh rate option are also turned on in the My ASUS app. The memory is soldered. The chips are positioned around the central heat spreader of the cooling. The machines with Zen 3 Plus CPUs rely on up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X, 6,400 MHz RAM, while the Zen 4 and Zen 5 base devices can be configured with 32 gigabytes LPDDR5X 7,500 MHz memory. The Wi-Fi 6E card is also soldered, and it's placed between the battery connector and the single M.2 slot for 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. The pre-installed NVMe drive is covered with a heat shield. The cooling seems good enough for a 14-inch iGPU-only laptop. It has 2 decently sized fans, a pair of heat pipes, 2 heat sinks, and a heat spreader in the middle.